So hello everyone. Today we will learn data validation and how it is very useful in VLOOKUP. So it is a dataset of a fruit vendor. He is having different kind of fruits and their prices. And suppose we want to, he wants to uh, checklist whether the stocks are available or not. So we'll use data validation here. So always select the place where you want to use your data validation. We'll go to data validation icon in data tab and go to list, and on source field select the list that you want to give and press OK. So here we got the drop down arrow and we can select. Suppose if the vendor has banana, yes. Vendor has apple, yes. Vendor don't have a mango, so no. And the vendor has guava, yes. Strawberry, no. And jamun, yes. And suppose we want data validation of these fruits, so we will select this place where we want the data validation. Go to data validation tab, select list, and on source we'll select this fruits and OK. So we will get our data validation apple or guava. And suppose there are a lot of fruits list and the vendor wants to know the price of any particular fruits, so he can select from this drop down list and he will get the price. So here we will use VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP parenthesis lookup value, that is what we want to look, guava, in which table array, in this table excluding the column headers, and comma column index. What we want to get here, the price of guava, so this is in second column, so we'll write 2 here, then comma, then we want the exact match, so exact match parenthesis close. So guava, the price is 80, and suppose we want to know the price of jamun, the price is 120. This is price per kg. So this is how we use data validation.